हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश बाबू। और गाइज़, आज का ये जो वीडियो है और इस वीडियो को बनाने का जो पर्पस है वो ये है दैट एज़ यू ऑल आर अवेयर दैट रिसेंटली आई completed माई 100K सब्सक्राइबर ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश बाबू. So I got this silver play button which you can see right now. It is in my hand, and I got this play button from YouTube on 1st April, and it's been almost 12-13 days, and I just wanted to make this video just to say thanks to all of you, because when I just talk about my channel or when I just talk about my journey, I started this channel in 2022, and I uploaded my first video I guess on 25th October. I guess that was Diwali, and I had never expected, I had never thought that I'm going to get this much support from you guys, or rather I would say that I had never expected this tremendous response from you guys. Anyhow, I started this with no expectation, still I got this. So I am so happy. First of all, thank you so much to all of you, because you guys have been listening to my translation videos. And other reason to make this video is that guys, I have been getting such comments that please come in front of camera and please make this video. So guys, if I talk about myself, first of all, I just want to make the thing very clear that I just want to make this thing very clear that I am not a professional teacher, but I think that I am good at English, I am quite comfortable in English, so I can help all of you, and I can help people, those who are like me or those who are trying to learn English, because I believe that when it is about English is all about practice. Because for example, suppose if I talk about myself only, I had never gone to any convent school, and if I talk about myself that I never had such environment where I got a chance to speak in English, but still with the practice and you can say the self practice, and by doing some practice, I just improved myself. Now I think that I can easily speak in English. I know that there are some flaws, because no one is perfect. And apart from this, if I talk about my English, that I never took any formal English speaking classes, like many people take such classes, but I never took. So whatever I learned, I just did it myself. I did some practice. So these are the things about me. And apart from this, guys, what I just want to tell you that very soon I am going to start a series where I would be teaching you guys about English speaking. As we all are aware that when we have to speak in English as an Indian, because when we talk about us, English is not our first language, English is our second language, because we are not native of England or any other European country. So our first language is Hindi. If I talk about my language, my first language, or if I say, rather I say my mother tongue is Hindi. Some of you must be from some other regions, so it depends that where someone has Punjabi, someone speaks Telugu, so it is their mother tongue. So when we talk about English is not my first language, that is my second language. That is why we have to learn this, because when we talk about Hindi, we do not need to go to school, we do not need to do anything extra. We don't need to put extra effort to learn Hindi, because we learn this language from the environment where I was born. I was born in a family where everyone was talking to me in Hindi, so I just learned it without putting any effort. But when it comes to English, we have to put a lot of effort, because when we learn any second language, we have to understand the translation, the rules and regulation. There are many things which comes into picture. So but still, what I believe that English is not that tough. If you do some practice, you can easily speak in English. So today, guys, this is my first video. I hope that you can easily realize this, because I'm not that much confident, and first of all, I'm a very introvert type of person. I feel shy, and I'm a very camera shy person. I really don't know how to make good videos, but still that I just gathered all my courage to come in front of camera, because I'm a very camera shy person. I don't know why. The reason maybe I'm not good looking, but still I tried my level best to come in front of you. So guys, now I guess it is the time to say thanks to all of you again, because you helped me a lot to come here in front of you, because recently with your help, with your blessings, I got this silver play button. So thank you so much for that. And I just want to tell you one thing, that guys, if you have any type of doubt, you can ask me, and I always request you that kindly share your feedback. Whenever I upload my any story translation video, I always tell this thing that when you have any doubt or when you have any suggestion, any feedback, you are more than welcome. You can write your feedback in the comment section. Most of the time I read all your comments and I try to respond them. So guys, thank you so much for now. And again, I am telling you this very recently, very soon I will be bringing more such videos. And in next video I would try to cover present indefinite, because recently one of my subscriber told me that sir, you should start with present indefinite. So the first video which I will be bringing, I will try to bring it on present indefinite. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day and bye.